Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. We're going to do is stuffed sweet potatoes. I've got all my ingredients set up and ready, and I've got 3 big potatoes. And what we're going to do is we're just going to skewer the potato so it allows to cook evenly, and then apply some olive oil, and then put it in a baking tray and bake it for 45 minutes, 180 degrees. Okay, let's start cooking. I'm just gonna skewer the sweet potato. So as you see, using a fork or a knife, just skewer them. Please be careful. Safety is the first priority. Okay. And we're gonna rub some olive oil. Just a tiny little bit. Just use your hands. There you go. Apply some olive oil. Not gonna add any salt or pepper, just olive oil. And then we're gonna bake them for 45 minutes, 180 degrees centigrade. There you go, nicely done. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut them, not completely through. We're gonna cut pockets and take a bit of sweet potato out, and we're gonna use the sweet potato and add on some extra ingredients, mix them thoroughly, and stuff them back into potatoes. It's similar to jagged potato, guys. So what we're gonna do is we're going to do some jackets. Okay, we're gonna make some pockets, nicely pockets. So I'm just cutting them through, so it will allow me to scoop out using a spoon or a knife or a fork, and then we're gonna use that scooped out sweet potato, add on some extra ingredients, and then stuff it back in, and then we're going to bake them. Okay, so I'm just trying to make my life easy, so I'm just cutting the potato, and then I'm gonna use a spoon and then scoop it out. There you go, that's how you do it. Be careful, it's very hot, it's piping hot. Be patient and be very gentle. You don't want to break the potato, okay? Alright, that's how you do it. So what I'm doing is, as I mentioned earlier, I'm just creating a pocket. There you go. There you go, nicely done. So I'm gonna do rest of the potatoes as well. Stay tuned, and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do next. Okay. See, I've done all 3 potatoes, and then I've scooped out mashed potato there, sweet potato. I'm gonna mash it, and then I'm gonna add some additional ingredients just to spice it up, and then we're gonna fill it back in. Going with the sliced red chilies. You know what, I'm gonna add more. Right. Nicely grated garlic. I'm using 3 small cloves and half a chopped white onion. I'm not gonna use red onion, guys, because it's sweet potato. It's already very sweet, and then don't want to use red onion. Finely chopped tomatoes, and give it a nice mix. Salt and pepper as per your taste. Mix it thoroughly. Finely grated cheddar cheese, guys. I'm using half a cup there. Give it a nice mix. Finely chopped parsley and some spring onions there. can see it's very colorful and very bright. There you go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna stuff inside the potatoes. So please make sure that, guys, you be very gentle. We're not gonna stuff too much in. Just be very gentle. There you go. I'm gonna use some mozzarella, and then I'm just gonna top it on the top. I'm using grated mozzarella. If you got some slices, you can add on. There you go, ready to go into the oven, 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Keep an eye on it, and it should turn out really perfect. There you go, that's fantastic. Cheesy, stuffed, sweet potatoes. There's something I'm gonna add it. Just gonna garnish it with some grated hard boiled eggs. As you can see, I've got some boiled eggs. They are hard boiled eggs, and I'm gonna use a grater and then grate it, and then garnish with some parsley or coriander. There you go. I've got a hard boiled egg, and then I'm using grater. There you go. You can use this technique for any of your recipe, guys, especially butter chicken. Should be amazing. Also any other recipes you can use grated hard boiled egg. That's done. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you very much.